What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. What I have in my hands and to review for you today is a one-stop shop tile tool kit for tile installation and grouting projects for DIYers, homeowners, handyman guys who take on small tile installation projects, tile setter helpers, all the way up to tile setters, contractors, and builders. Let's quickly unbox and show you what's in this tile tool kit. Now this has got to be one of the least expensive tile installation kits that I have seen online. Under 30 bucks, you get all this. A very nice quality grout float, 3-notch trowels, 1/8 by 1/8, 1/4 by 1/4, 1/2 by 1/2, and 2 nice firm sponges. Now these are decent quality trowels with your stainless steel blades, ergonomic handles, aluminum shank right here, super duper lightweight. We have 3 different notch sizes for different tile applications. You have an 1/8 by 1/8 for your sheeted mosaics or your uncoupling membrane. Also your 3/8 by 3/8 for your glass or ceramic subway tiles, for backsplashes, shower walls. And lastly, your 1/2 by 1/2 for your large format tiles, anywhere from a 12 by 24 tile installation all the way up to a 2 by 4 porcelain tile. This is absolutely a killer deal. I have recently purchased a 1/2 by 1/2 notch trowel at a Dowel Tile for 25 bucks. You get all of this for under 30. 3-notch trowels for all tile installation applications. A solid grout float that feels like decent quality. And 2 sponges that go for $2 to $3 a pop at your Home Depot. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Probably one of the best tile installation kits on the internet, on Amazon, under 30 bucks for 3-notch trowels, grout float, and 2 sponges. Link will be down there if you want to check it out. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon for future tile tool videos like this. Smash that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one.